In this video, I'm going to share with you the best free website builders that you can build your website with. But before we start, I'm going to share with you those which I don't recommend at all. So without further ado, let's start. The first one I don't recommend at all is a Wix, Ucraft, and then GoDaddy. I don't recommend any of these because the following reason, that when you want to build a website with those, you're gonna have a big ad. Like on a Wix, you are going to have it on top. You can build a website with Wix. This site is completely for free. On Ucraft, it's going to be on down right here. And also on a Ucraft, they will try to, like with a sleazy way, get you for the paid pricing plan, and they don't want to let you start a free trial or like free account. In UKDaddy, it's completely the same. You're gonna have a banner like this website is for free. And this is not what you want. You don't want to have a banner for your free website that, okay, this is a free website. You want to have like good quality of it. And here we go with the answer. So these are those that I don't recommend for you to use at all. Now, the first one, just like top notch in my eyes that you can use, is a Mobilize. This is something that no one is recommending because this is something that you have to actually like download, but it's like low megabytes, and you can really build amazing website with it. In Mobilize, you have also a link down below in the description. You can simply create a new website, click Mobilize here, or you can choose a theme if you would buy a full feature. And let me show you how simple you can we can build the website. Go to bottom right, click to start, and you can simply add a menu here. Then you can add a header. Not all features are going to be available, but most of them are going to be in a free plan. I got a paid plan here. Now I add the features here. Then I can simply add, and you can see how I'm simply building the whole site. It's nothing hard. It's really easy. You can add pages for free. Then I got a theme here. I got the social buttons that I can use. Then of course I can use the map and footer, right? And let's say that I want to add a contact form. So contact form, and then I'm going to add a footer. Now, okay, we have our full website. Straight away, easy as it is. Now I can just edit everything. I can simply edit all the buttons here, all the text here that you can see. And this is really amazing. Responsive, mobile friendly. I can edit also my contact form. And these things are free. You don't have to pay anything for it. And now it's also responsive for mobile. And what you can do is this. You can publish it. And now Mobilize website, local drive folder, FTP. And I'm gonna, like, let's say that I want to upload it, Marcus Stone, Mobilize, publish. And now, right now it's going to publish. So we just have to wait for a while. And Mobilize in this way is amazing. You can add multiple pages on your website. It's lean. And if you want to create a simple website, I would definitely go with the Mobilize. Now we'll just wait until it's going to load. And then I will go to the second that I recommend for you to use. But Mobilize is a top notch. If you want to build a landing page, if you want to build whatever. Okay, and now view website, look at this. See? Do you see any ads here? And you can just remove the banner, and voila, you got it. But still, this is the top notch that you can use. But what you can do is when you got a free domain, you can simply upload your Mobilize website on it. And yep, so Mobilize is a top notch because you can just simply publish it to your local drive for the FTP or whatever like domain you have and just build your website there for free. So this is the first way what you can do. The second way I prepared for you is Webflow. Webflow offers you also free account when you would come here to individual starter, but the learning curve is higher because you can edit literally everything. As I show you in Mobilize, oh, my camera went off. In Mobilize, you have options to build your website, right? But it's limited what you can actually do with it. You can't really code with it and stuff like that. In Webflow, it's all about with coding, right? You see right here how complex everything is. It's free. Yes, you can build your website as your project and you can edit literally everything here. But the learning curve is higher. But thumbs up for Webflow tutorials on YouTube that you can find or what you can actually do on the website. Then this is the second one. The next one is a site Google Sites. Google Sites is an amazing platform that you can use. Now, You can use calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, and play around it, but there are not a lot of templates. Yes, you can choose the templates as I use the dog walker, but there are like one single page. This is not something, damn, this is amazing, right? So I would go possibly with Mobilize or Webflow. Google Sites is okay-ish, but I wouldn't just put it straight away. This is amazing that you can do with something like this, you know? The next one is a Cardco. Cardco is a top-notch if you want to build a landing page. You can see right here, I can select Jack O'Neill. And you can simply build a simple landing page like in Mobilize, but a little bit limited. And even if you want to go pro with your website, it costs only $9. You can see it right here, $9 per year. But still, you can really play around it. I can simply go plus here and add a list. Then I can add an image. I can add a table, timer even, divider. And you can change the width here. See how it looks on mobile, right? On PC, and really play around it as much as you want. Again, it's completely for free, and this is like $9 per year. So imagine that. So even when you would like create a website and you want to go pro, it's only $9. And the last one I prepared for you is called Square. Square is amazing too. It's for good, really good for online store, completely for free. You can start a free online store. Oh, I'm going to sign in right here. And I can add an email and login. I don't know the password here, but Square is amazing too for it. If you want to build an online store, I recommend choosing the Square, and this is pretty much it. So, what will be my recommendation? I would go with the Square if you want to build an online store. Cardco is really great if you want to build a simple landing page, and it's also for free. Then Google Sites is also good, but I would definitely use Google Sites if you want to build also a simple landing page. I don't know if I would use it for multiple pages. Webflow, on the other hand, I would go definitely with Webflow if you want to have a higher learning curve and if you want to play around with things. But definitely I would go with the Mobilize if you want to build your own landing page. But to use a Mobilize, I would definitely recommend having your own domain and somewhere where you got cheap web hosting for like €3-5 a month. And there I would just upload Mobilize website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and feedback. And yeah, goodbye.